In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use free Notion Finance Tracker templates to manage your money more efficiently in 2026. If you've been looking for a simple way to track your income, expenses, and overall budget without paying for expensive apps, Notion has some amazing free templates that can get you started in just a few minutes. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and also for anyone who already uses Notion but hasn't explored the Finance Tracker templates yet. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion on your desktop or web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside Notion, look to the left-hand sidebar. At the top of the sidebar, you'll see a small arrow icon. Go ahead and click on that arrow to expand the menu if it's not already open. This is where you can access templates, settings, and other Notion features. Next, in that same sidebar, click on the Templates option. This will take you to Notion's built-in template gallery, also known as the Notion Marketplace. This is where Notion and the community share free and paid templates for different use cases, like productivity, studying, project management, and of course, finance tracking. Once the template gallery loads, look for the search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type in Finance Tracker. As you type, Notion will start showing you related templates. These are templates specifically designed to help you track expenses, income, savings, and budgets. Now scroll through the results and click on a finance tracker template that looks useful to you. For this example, we're choosing a free finance tracker or budget planner template from the marketplace. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the template's preview page, where you can see how it's structured and what features it includes. On the template page, look for the Add button in the top right corner. Click on Add. Notion will now ask you where you want to add this template. If you're using a personal Notion account, click on Add to Private. This will duplicate the template directly into your private workspace so you can fully customize it. Once the template has been added, navigate back to your Notion workspace and click on the new Finance Tracker page that was just created. This opens your personal copy of the template. From here, you can start using it right away. You can edit categories, add your own income sources, log daily expenses, and customize the layout to match your financial goals. Take some time to explore the different databases inside the template. Most finance trackers include sections for monthly expenses, recurring bills, savings goals, and summaries that automatically calculate totals for you. The best part is that everything is fully editable, so you can rename fields, add new columns, or remove anything you don't need. As you continue using the template, try updating it regularly to get the most accurate picture of your finances. Even spending just a few minutes a day logging expenses can make a big difference over time. And remember, since this is a free template inside Notion, you're not locked into anything and you can always try different finance tracker templates until you find one that works best for you. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use free Notion Finance Tracker templates to organize and manage your finances. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity workflows, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.